One is Williams Law. All right. So, Mr. Thomas.
Naive.
State of Michigan 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies, that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. And I will also ask that you keep your devices on mute until your name is called. Thank you, everyone. Good morning to Judge. Good morning to everyone.
Right. All right, good morning, everyone. I'm gonna do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm gonna try to get you out in the order that you came in. Are we ready, Ms. Williams-Law?
Give me 1 second. All right, Judge.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Nicholas Pedro Gomez, case number SP 1394082. Counts 1 and counts 3. Mr. Gomez, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Nicholas Gomez, Your Honor.
All right, you did not pay. What was your situation? You were dealing with
You told me to send you proof that I did 30 hours community service, and I sent it to you. I emailed it to you the day or 2 days ago.
all right. Let's see. What email address did you send that from?
And it's MPG 07111989 @gmail.com.
NPG.
G. Yeah, G. N is in Nancy, P is in Paul, G is in George. 07111989 @gmail.com.
I didn't get it. If it's N is in Nancy, P is in Paul, G is in George, I didn't get it.
I sent it to you. I just try to send it to you right now.
Sometimes you don't see, you don't recognize the period. I'm gonna put the email address back in the chat.
Hold on, I got it right here. Your email address is Sean.Perkins @36districtcourt.org.
Yep, 36thdistrictcourt.org, yes.
Yeah, I sent it to you.
All right, send it to me again and we'll get you out of here.
Okay. Sean. All right, I sent it right now.
I'm gonna pass the matter. I'll see it jump up when it comes, all right?
Okay.
All right. Talia O'Neal.
Talia O'Neal, yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Talia O'Neal.
Yes,
I'm sorry.
Talia.
City of Detroit versus Talia O'Neal, case number SP 173-29091. Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Miss O'Neal.
Ms. O'Neal, state your name again for the record, please.
Talia O'Neal.
All right, you need to turn your camera on now.
My apologies. Sorry about that.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
You need to get yourself together, ma'am. You need to take the night scarf off your head.
Oh, no, this is a turban. This isn't a scarf, it's a turban.
Very well. Today is a date and time set for a pre-trial. Give Miss O'Neal an updated offer. Keep in mind, Miss O'Neal, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. We'll put you in a breakout room with Ms. Soroki. She's gonna have a conversation with you. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
I can't hear you. We're gonna go in the breakout room and then what?
And then have a conversation. Ms. Soroki's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, right?
Okay, thank you.
Join the room, please.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, wait a minute. I'm gonna dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. License is valid.
Can you say it again, Your Honor? I went off thinking we were going to break out.
I'm gonna dismiss the case. The license is valid.
Did she go in the breakout?
Yeah, they want to work on it.
Oh.
City of Detroit versus Nicholas Jacob Link, case number SP 17313561. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May I please this honorable court, and good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Link. Please state your name for the record.
Nicholas J. Link, Nicholas Jacob Link.
Wanted to, Mr. Link, date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Harris, get Mr. Link an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Link, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
All right.
Your Honor, I just want to confirm, it's just the one count?
That's all I see.
Thank you.
Blade Brown.
I'm sorry, sir. It's supposed to say my name on there. You know, you can put your nickname as a Zoom call. It's supposed to say
Yeah,
Dwight Galloway.
Dwight Galloway.
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right, back on the record with I dismissed Miss O'Neal's case. She's got a valid driver's license.
All right, I didn't bring up, I meant to bring her out, but I can just let her know.
Miss O'Neal, your case is dismissed, ma'am. You have a valid driver's license. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Bye-bye.
Bye. This is the City of Detroit versus Pamela Owens. Oh, wait a minute. Ms. Owens was appointed an attorney. We need to get that attorney in here. Have you, Ms. Owens, good morning to you. Have you spoken to anyone? Has anyone called you?
No.
All right, give me a minute. I'm gonna get the attorney in here now.
I actually,
You say what? Attorney Barrett, good morning to you.
good morning,
Attorney
Judge. Oh,
Who's your
okay.
client, Barrett?
Yeah, Judge, I have a number of them for you, so I don't know.
Well,
Do you want to take them now, or you just want to
do
wait?
you have Pamela Owens?
Hold on one second, Judge.
You want an attorney, Brian?
Good morning, Judge. How are you today?
I'm well. Who's your client?
My client is named Cesar Lopez, Lopez, and I've got a real easy one for you this morning.
Cesar Lopez.
It's Cesar Augusto Lopez, unless I'm saying the name wrong. Wait a minute. Now it's set for trial technically today. Yeah, Cesar Lopez.
Where's Mr. Lopez?
He's been detained by immigration. His next immigration hearing is August 19th. And I don't know how I don't know that I'm gonna be able to get him out of jail. So to me, whatever you want to do with this is fine.
Why don't you talk to the city attorney and see what they want to do?
Okay. I don't know if you're aware, but do you know that immigration has a new kind of edict out there that if you came to the country without permission, you're by definition not eligible for bond? That just started like 2 weeks ago. Do you know that they did that?
No, I didn't know. I know you said that they were detaining people and dropping cases and just keeping them.
Yeah, well, now they even stepped it up a level. So my client's been here for a while, and I'm close to getting him on the path of a green card. I filed the paperwork that I needed to because at the time he was a immigrant, he was a minor, an immigrant juvenile. But I don't think he's eligible for bond even from jail now because of the new rules. I could send you I could send you the order from immigration, but
That's great.
What?
Mr. Roki should be in momentarily.
Okay. Can I jump
out? Yeah, you can jump off. On.
I just have a motion in front of Judge Meineke in Royal Oak right now.
Okay.
So I'll go in the waiting room and use a different device, but I'll be right back.
Okay. All right, Ms. Barrett, this is the city of Detroit versus Pamela Owens, case number SP 172300731. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Pamela Owens.
Ms. Owens, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Pamela Owens.
All right, Ms. Owens, moving forward, Ms. Barrett is gonna be your attorney. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room so you can get acquainted with her. We can set a trial date today if necessary, all right? Join the room, please.
Okay, Judge, I do have some other people to check in
Let's
for.
take care of it one at a time, and I'm gonna get them going on theirs. Please.
Okay, so you don't want to know. Okay, I just for your house counsel.
I just want to get started on these. Just the house councils get them started. All right, City of Detroit versus Stanley O'Neal Longmire Jr. Case number SP 1725013, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Longmire.
Mr. Longmire, yes. Can you speak your name for the record, please?
Stanley Longmire.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a
pre-trial.
Yes. Mr. Longmire, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Soroki. She's gonna get you, oh, he needed a court-appointed lawyer as well. Maybe that's Ms. Barrett as well. All right, let's pass the matter. That may be Ms. Barrett as well. Let's pass the matter. I'm gonna wait on that court-appointed lawyer. Ms. Rachel Gates, good morning to you. We have to let your officer, give your officer some time to join. So, I'm gonna give the officer a half-hour grace period. If that officer doesn't show by the, grace period, we'll get you out of here. If the officer does show, we'll get you in a room with the lawyer and get you, an offer, okay? Lewis, Kayla Lewis, this young lady here keeps missing her court dates. Kayla Lewis, where are you?
I'm right here.
This is the city of Detroit versus Kayla Lewis, case number U685382224, SP 159-25761, SP 159-25951. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Kayla Lewis.
State your name for the record, Ms. Lewis.
Kayla Lewis.
All right, ma'am, you continue to miss court dates, ma'am.
No, the last court date, I only missed it because I was not going to be able to be on there because my flight took off before I had to get on court. And I
say that again. Let's say that again.
No, the last time that I had court, I texted my attorney that I was assigned because he called me, and I told him that I wasn't going to be able to come on here because my flight left at 7. I wasn't able to be on here like at 8:30 because I didn't make it home until 9.
Do you understand that you're not even supposed to leave the state without court's permission when you have a misdemeanor case?
I never knew that.
Okay, well, that's the first thing. So you got to keep that in mind. You have to get permission from the court if you want to leave the state when you have a misdemeanor case.
Okay.
All right. Now, where's your lawyer?
I don't have one.
So how did you tell your lawyer that you were on a?
No, it was my attorney that got assigned to me. His name was I think it was Lamb.
Michael Lamb. Was that somebody the court appointed lawyer, or did you retain Michael Lamb?
I think the court.
This is not just one time. Okay, so here's the deal. This goes all the way back. You had a pretrial on February 24th. You had a trial date on 3/18. You didn't show, or you showed, but you never responded. I concluded that you must have fell asleep. You had a pretrial on 5/15/2025, needing court-appointed attorney. You had a trial on 6/2/2025. You didn't appear. So here's how it's going to happen moving forward. If you miss another court date, I'm going to put a cash bond on you, and you're going to have to either pay or you're going to be held in jail until your court case comes up. All right.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm going to give her a $0 bond. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with, is that Ms. Soroki? Ms. Soroki, I have only one case on the docket, but it's two other cases. One is the one on the docket. Then you have a open alcohol and motor vehicle passenger, and then you have a minor in possession. All right, Ms. Lewis, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Soroki. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right? Join the room.
So, Your Honor, we're proceeding without Mr. Lamb. I mean, I'm fine with that.
I believe that appointment is probably over with, right?
Right, it could be. Thank you.
Yeah. All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Baird. Are you here for Longmire as well?
Yes, Judge. Stanley O'Neal Longmire.
Yeah, I'm gonna put Longmire in breakout room 6, okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay. All right, let's go back on the record with Nicholas Gomez. Mr. Gomez.
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
I've got confirmation that you completed the community service, sir, for that. We're going to dismiss these cases, all right?
I appreciate you.
All right, if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
You figure out, thank you. Bye.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Link. Mr. Link. Ms. Harris, Mr. Link has presented valid documentation.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Mr. Link, I'm going to dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You have a great day as well.
Thank you. This is the City of Detroit versus King Edward Long, case number SP 140-83981, SP 173-14091, SP 173-19561. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Long, please state your name for the record.
Mr. King Long, are you there? He has a little bit of trouble hearing. Is he muted?
I know he's a phone caller.
Yeah. Mr. King Long, he's got somebody there helping him. All right, let's pass that matter.
Hello?
Mr. King Long?
Yes, this is King Long.
Can you state your, good morning, can you state your name for the record, please?
King Edward Long.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Harris, can you give Mr. Long an updated offer? Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Long, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Pass the matter. Zoom user. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please? Zoom user.
Are you talking to me?
The one I just sent the prompt to unmute yourself. You turn your camera on. No, not you, somebody else. Zoom
Okay.
user, you have to unmute yourself, the lady there, black. Good morning to you, ma'am. What is your name,
Hello.
please?
Anitra Lester.
Anitra Lester. Good morning, Ms. Lester.
Good morning.
Yes, I'm talking to services. Yes, they're trying to find some.
On the Samsung device, I just let you in the room. Can you unmute yourself and state your name, please? Samsung, I sent you the prompt. You have to unmute yourself now.
Me?
Yes, on the Samsung. Good morning to you.
I'm Anitra. I'm on,
Oh, I've already spoken to you, Miss Lester. Samsung.
Good morning.
I've already spoken to you,
Good
Ms.
morning.
Lester. Yeah, good morning, ma'am.
Good
What is
morning.
your name?
This is Shirley. Good morning, Your Honor.
Say that
This is
again,
Shirley
please.
Lee. This is Shirley Lee.
Shirley
Yes.
Lee?
Yes.
Okay. Shirley Jean Lee. Okay, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right. You say I should know you. I should know you by now, huh, Miss Shirley Jean.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Okay. Anybody ready? I'm just waiting on a lawyer now. I'm gonna check some more people in and just keep on coming in. This Schneider, good morning to you. On the iPhone, I just let you in the room. Can you turn your camera on and state your name, please?
Anitra Lester. Oh,
iPhone. I just let you in the room. There you go, sir. What is your name, please? Good morning to you.
Good morning, Officer Jackson.
Say that again.
Officer Jackson.
Officer Jackson.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, Officer Jackson.
Good morning.
So, Miss Anitra Lee. Lester, I'm sorry, Mr. and Miss Anitra Lester. You know you don't have to answer anymore, don't you?
yes.
All right. All right, I'm waiting on a lawyer. Raven,
Yes, I'm here. Sorry.
good morning, ma'am. What is your full name, please?
Lache Leot.
No, Raven.
Raven Lewis.
Raven Lewis, good morning, Ms. Leggett. Good morning, Ms. Lewis, and good morning, everyone. I just let in the room.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Well, Mr. Barry today. Mr. Galloway, Eddie Galloway, you have your hand raised.
Yeah, good morning. I was just making sure I was in the right courtroom.
I have Dwight Galloway. Let's see if we have an Eddie Galloway.
The white Galloway right here.
Yeah, I know.
What's up, my brother?
What's going on?
Let's see, Eddie Galloway, let's see.
¿Qué pasó? ¿Y si ponen los votos enfrente? ¿Y no sacaron los votos?
Eddie Galloway, you're supposed to be in 336. 336. Yeah. That would be, the Zoom ID would be 360-336-0000.
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you. Mr.
You should. You should.
Mr. Johnson.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning. Yeah, Ms. Gates is here. I'm gonna put Ms. Gates in room 7. Ms. Gates, your attorney's here. Put you in 7, wait on him, and he's gonna come in and see you, okay?
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Corporal Whitehead. I'm on Shirley Lee. If you don't mind, can you put me in the breakout room to talk to the prosecutor?
All right, I'll put all the officers in the breakout room. Good morning to everyone. Bobby's iPhone.
Have co-host when you get a moment.
I'm here.
Up to you, sir. What is your name?
Bobby Owen.
Bobby Owens. All right, he said for trial. Anybody that's set for trial, we're gonna give the officers a half-hour grace period from 9 o'clock to 9:30 for that officer to appear. If that officer does not appear, we'll get you out of here. If that officer does appear, then we'll get you in the breakout room with an attorney, okay?
Are you talking to Bobby Owen?
Yes, and anyone else who's at trial.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lewis. Ms. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we did have the opportunity to speak with the city attorney. She made an offer. My client would plead guilty as charged to open alcohol as passenger. The other two matters are being dismissed. We're ready to proceed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, I do. And can I start where I want to apologize because I'm not in the camera because I have a doctor's appointment. I'm also getting ready for.
No, Raven Lewis is not Raven Lewis. Not Raven Lewis. It's Kayla Lewis.
Okay.
All right, Ms. Lewis, you want to take the deal?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and/or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Soroki went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, she did.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, which one are we pleading to, Ms. Soroki?
Open alcohol passenger, Your Honor.
All right. Let me draw your attention, Ms. Lewis, back to June the 15th, 2025 at around 2:06 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Quincy and Taylor Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that day and that time?
Yes.
Did you have some contact with the police?
Yes.
And was there, were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes.
And was there some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes.
And what was it?
What was the alcohol?
Yes.
Oh, it was, I believe it was Don Julio, I want to say.
All right, and was that alcohol open now?
Yes.
And it was some in the container?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear it.
And was there some in the container? Alcohol still in the container?
Oh, yes.
All right, you satisfied, Counselor?
I am satisfied.
Court is satisfied. I'm going to find you guilty as charged to the open alcohol and motor vehicle passenger. Is this under any delayed sentence, Ms. Soroki?
No, Your Honor.
And with stipulation of probable cause, we'll dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated.
$240, ma'am. When can you pay it?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
$240. When can you pay?
I don't want to give you an exact date as of right now.
Gotta give me a date.
I'm sorry.
I'll give you a date.
Okay, that's fine.
Pay it in 30 days.
Okay.
Pay it by, I need some dates, Ms. Memphis. Pay it by September 2nd, 2025. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat after your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, ma'am. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Chanel Lee.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. This is the city of Detroit versus Chanel Denise Lee, case number SP172-76451, SP172-76701. SP 1727671. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Chanel Lee.
This is another case that was supposed to be assigned an attorney. This must be all Miss Barrett's cases. Let me pass the matter. Get you that attorney, Miss Lee.
Okay.
Your Honor, may I please have co-host? This is a city. Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Desiree Shanta Lee, case numbers SP 1507127, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1727761, SP 1727977. Or strike that. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning. This is Desiree Lee.
Good morning, Ms. Lee. Is it there too?
Yes.
All right. Appearance for the record, please, for Ms. Desiree Lee.
I think I'm on here.
You're here.
Oh.
I'm waiting on the attorney to put their appearance.
Did you want me to put my appearance?
Yes.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Desiree Lee, Your Honor.
All right, good morning. Good morning, Mrs. Lee. We'll also call SP 1727971 into the record. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Soroki, give Ms. Lee an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Lee, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. This one is also a one that is supposed to be. Hold on, Ms. Lee. I guess all of these must be Ms. Barrett's.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Is that Desiree Lee supposed to go to Ms. Barrett as well? This is the state of Michigan versus Courtney Darlene Green, case number SX 4537299, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Courtney Green.
Ms. Green, are you there? Unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please.
Hey, what you go? You I ain't trying to be our big female.
Green, are you there? All right, we're gonna pass the matter.
Hi, this is Courtney Green.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Soroki, I'll make sure that this one is not.
She also has one under 845 for a show cause.
Yeah, show cause. For purposes of show cause, counselor.
Waive the formal reading the information, stand mute to the charges, Your Honor.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf and give your client a $0 bond. This has a show cause, but she had a driver, let's see, she had a careless driving that went along with this. Let me see how old it is. That was, she missed the hearing on 7/1 last month. I don't have any issue with allowing her to be heard on that. So it's careless driving and improper license. Ms. Green, Ms. Soroki's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Join the room, please. Mr. Soroki.
Morning, Judge. I'm here on a trial for, good, thank you. I'm here on trial for Christina Gilmore and Jovante Latner.
Okay. Christina Gilmore. I know Mr. Javante Latner is here. Mr. Latner, I'm gonna put you in breakout room A. Wait on Mr. Soroki. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
And then I don't know if Christina Gilmore is here.
Well, I sent her a text.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Where are you? Okay, yes, she's here. Yes, she's here. I'm gonna put you, good morning to you, Miss Gilmore. I'm gonna put you at 9. Okay, wait on Mr. Soroki, okay?
Okay,
All right, thank you.
On the Zoom user, good morning to you. Can you, I've just sent you a prompt, unmute yourself. What is your name, please? Zoom user. Sir, in the white shirt.
Michael Lowe.
Michael Lowe.
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
And then, let's see who's on this phone. On the telephone at 313-878-4060. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Winston Logan.
Good morning to you, Mr. Logan.
Morning.
Ms. Harris.
On the ticket for Mr. Long, could you tell me the street for the entering without owner's permission?
So the drove without cycle endorsement, pass on right. Drove without cycle endorsement. Pass on right. And I do not have the ticket entering without permission. Active, oh, wait a minute. That would be alleged, he would have alleged to have been on Irvington Street and Elmira Street. Emory Street, Irvington and Emory. So it doesn't have a particular street address at all.
Irvington and Emory? Okay, thank you.
Irvington and Emory. No street address.
Okay. Any notes?
No notes, just Irvington, that's just the street. That's where around the location is Irvington and Emory. No notes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Backtrusser.
Good morning, Officer Backtrusser. I'm gonna put you in break.
Just checking in because I also got to shoot over to 220. I didn't want you to think I wasn't here.
All right, very well. I have to check that. Miss Baird, do we have an attorney ready? No attorney? Very good. All right, we're gonna wait on the lawyer. What did happen to Mr. Barry this one? We need a couple of lawyers, but they're not there. They're not there.
Yes, my sister and her fiance.
All right, we're waiting on a lawyer. Oh, Mr. Wobble, you there? Mr. Frank Baughton. Did he leave? Oh, he's here. He must be doing something else. Mr. Bobble, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Can you find out who needs a Spanish interpreter?
Yeah, I have. I'm here for Cesar Chavez. That's one, but
That's
I'll
Mr.
ask.
Brand. That's Mr. Brand's attorney. Mr. Brand, did you talk to? I don't know if he spoke with the city. He's being detained according to his lawyer. Are you ready, Ms. Harris?
Ready, Your Honor.
Do you want me to ask quick if there's, because there's a couple of other people that.
Yeah, you can ask. Go ahead.
¿Hay alguien que necesita un intérprete de español de los que están presentes ahora? Si es así, por favor, díganos algo.
Rosa Maria Gutierrez Chavez.
Sí, buenos días. ¿Cómo están? Sí, José Luis Orduz.
Necesito un intérprete.
Necesito un intérprete en español.
That's Baughman's comment. Can you get Baughman in here?
Rosa María Gutiérrez Chávez también ocupa un en español.
So, Rosa Maria Gutierrez Chavez also needs an interpreter.
Sí, por favor.
Who's that?
Rosa Maria Gutierrez Chavez.
Yes,
Sí.
I have her.
And then Jose Luis Orduz.
Orduz Gutiérrez.
Orduz Gutierrez, yeah. All right, Ms. Harris, let's go back on the record with Mr. King Long. Mr. Long, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is respectfully requesting a trial date.
All right, is that what you want to do, Mr. Long? I mean,
yes.
Come on back on August the 28th, 2025 at 9 a.m. All right,
August
Mr. Long?
Yes.
August the 28th at 9 a.m. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You want me to show up where?
9
Come to
a.m.
court.
August. You can come on Zoom. August the 28th.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Did you hear me?
Yes, August the 28th at 9 o'clock.
Exactly. All right, best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Keith Graves, case number SP149597771, SP149597773, SP1496177, counts 1, SP1530471, SP1737445, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Graves, please state your name for the record.
Is Mr. Keith Graves there?
Yeah, my bad. I'm sorry. Somebody muted me.
Mr. Graves, state your name for the record, please. Good morning to you.
Good morning to you too. My name is Keith Graves.
I'm on 2 Zooms. I got a lot going on.
Did y'all hear me?
Yeah,
We
say it
did.
again.
Thank you.
Keith Graves Jr.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Graves has some other cases on the docket. Ms. Harris that did not make it to the docket. Just one. He has a driving license suspended that did not make it to the docket. Mr. Graves, Ms. Harris, go ahead.
If I recall, Mr. Graves was requesting a new court date because I believe he needed to get documentation together. I thought he stated that earlier this morning.
Okay, is that what you want to do, Mr. Graves?
Yes, I'm only needing my registration. So that's all I have to gather. I had to schedule an appointment with the Secretary of State and only had spots available for next week because my grandmother, she didn't sign this paper for title release soon.
All right, I'll come back on August the 28th, 2025 at 9 a.m. That's gonna be set for trial, okay?
And what all the documents do I need? Because it was just my driver's license, insurance, and registrations, right?
Let's see. Yes.
Okay, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You too. Have a good weekend.
You as well. Asia Gray. I know I got that wrong.
Yes, Your Honor. One moment, please.
Oh, give me the correct pronunciation. I'm sorry. City of Detroit. Give me the correct pronunciation of your first name now.
Yes, Aisha.
Aisha?
Yes.
All right, City of Detroit versus Aisha Gray, case number SP 1266953, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1266958, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1367630, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Chair Harris, on behalf of Ms. Gray, please state your name for the record.
Aisha Gray.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gray, Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Your Honor.
Join the room, please.
All righty.
Good morning, Mr. Bachman.
Good Friday morning, Your Honor.
It's very good. Mrs. Rosalie Gutierrez is here. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with her and Mr. Bopple.
Okay.
Mr. Bopple, can you state your name for the record, please?
My name is Frank Bopple.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yeah, I'm not sure on my oh, no, there's my camera.
Do you swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner about before the court, not divulge confidential communications? So help you God.
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability you'll interpret from English to Spanish to Spanish to English?
I do.
All right, very well. Mr. Bopple, go to breakout room 10 with Mr. Bachman and with his client, Ms. Gutierrez, and you can let Ms. Gutierrez know to join the room.
Señor Gutiérrez, por favor, únese al cuarto número 10. Ahí vamos a hablar con el abogado, ¿ok?
All right.
Sí, aquí estoy, José Luis Orduz Gutiérrez.
No, no, it was, or was it Mr. Gutierrez or Mrs.? Because I was like,
Rosa Lee,
Oh.
she's in
Ah.
there.
okay.
No, it wasn't him. She's in the break. Okay, let's go back on the record with Miss Courtney Green. Miss Green, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to council. Council, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are going to ask that the court let the default remain aside at this time and set this matter for a bench trial date.
I'll set it for a bench trial date on the 28th, 2025 at 9 a.m. and I'll set the default aside. All right, Ms. Green, your next court date is the 28th of August, trial date at 9 a.m. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Good luck, Ms. Green.
Thank you, ma'am.
Latner is on the let's get Gasaway. Is that Ivana Gasway?
Excuse me, Your Honor, this is Corporal
Yes.
Whitehead. I'm gonna have to check into 220.
Okay, cool.
Okay, thanks, Your Honor.
How you doing, Your Honor?
I'm well. City of Detroit versus Ivana Gasaway, case number SP 170962001. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Gasaway.
Ms. Gasaway, state your name for the record, please.
Ivana Gasway.
Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant, counsel.
Waive the formal reading the information, stand mute to the charges, Your Honor.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea of your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond, excuse me. Can I ask your client whether she has a valid license or not?
Yes, Your
Yes,
Honor.
I just sent you all my legal documentation to your email.
License is valid, Ms. Gasaway. I wish you the best of luck. I'm going to dismiss your case. Have a very good day, all right?
Thank you so much. You too.
Best of luck to you.
Okay.
Gibbs, Michael Gibbs. Is Michael Gibbs here?
Mr. Gibbs, you need to unmute.
City of Detroit versus Michael Wayne Gibbs, case number SP 1673909, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Gibbs.
I can barely hear you.
Where's Mr. Gibbs?
I'm right here. Can you hear me?
Can you hear us now?
Vaguely.
Maybe you need to turn up your device, sir.
I'm trying. It's been going through some updating.
Okay, let's go put you in a breakout room. Today is the date and time set for a trial. See if you can help them. Maybe if you can help them figure out what's going on. I'll put you in a breakout room. Let's see if there's officer here too.
Okay, thank you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Officer M. Brown was here, I believe.
Your Honor, not to interrupt, I'm sorry. I'm sending the court a number of chats. Many of the officers are here on very old tickets, and they're going to be dismissals for no recollection.
Yeah, I see some of them coming up now. Latner.
I brought Latner out here myself, Your Honor.
All right. Gibbs is not on that list, so get Mr. Brown is here for Gibbs.
Hello?
I'm gonna put you in a breakout with Mr. Gibbs, with Ms. Soroki. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please.
Okay.
All right. Miss Barrett, are you there? Mr. Vassal Johnson, are you there? Mr. Soroki, are you there?
Yes, and I have a case that's ready now, Your Honor. Javante Latner, I believe there's no police officer scheduled for trial at 9 o'clock.
This is the city of Detroit versus Javante Andre Latner, case number SP 1191547, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 170250, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Javante Latner.
Good morning, Mr. Latner. There's date and time set for a trial. Officer Backstresser was here. I'll mark this file appeared. I have a note in here saying that it's dismissal for no recollection. I'll grant that motion. The other officer, what is that? O'Connell, hearing no response, have not seen that officer join the room. I will dismiss that case. No officer. I'll waive the warrant fee. If there's nothing further, Mr. Latner, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. You as well.
You have a good day, Mr. Latner.
You as well, sir. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome.
Do you have anyone else? Mr.
I have Miss Christina Gilmore, but I'm waiting for an offer from the prosecutor.
I have something ready.
Well, you have Gates ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is this for Gates, Officer Stevenson and Leggett dismissal too? This is the city of Detroit versus Rachel Lynn. This is the city of Detroit versus Rachel Lynn Gates. Case number.
Rochelle Lynn Gates.
I'm sorry. City of Detroit versus Rochelle Lynn Gates. Case number SP 130-18951, SP 156-10051, SP 166-8786, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 167-12582, SP 1289839, 1, SP 166-87863, SP 1712581. Appearance for the record, please.
May I please, good morning. May I please the Honorable Court, Vassal Johnson II, P72130 on behalf of Ms. Gates. She's present on Zoom.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Gates. Today is the
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. The day is date and time set for a trial. I have Corporal. I have MPO Shabazz. I have is Littleton here?
No, Your Honor.
So you've checked all the names that are here and that are not counsel?
I did. And so did the prosecutor.
What do we have?
Okay. So Officer Shabazz is present. Last four, 8391, Officer Kyle Durant. He's not present for trial. I move to dismiss.
Okay, grant that motion.
Last four, 2581 and 2582. Next one. Last
what's
four.
gonna happen to those?
Oh, dismissal, based on Officer Littleton not being present, date of trial.
Okay, grant that motion. 2581, 2582.
Yeah. The Z ticket, move to dismiss. 5261.
And some reason the Z ticket is not up. Some reason the Z ticket is not up.
That's the main one, Judge. We
Yeah, I know it is, set for pre-trial, it didn't get scheduled.
Judge, I will still move to dismiss.
That's Officer Littleton.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna grant the motion.
And then
She's
0051.
Does she or supposed to be here today?
That's right.
Anyway, on the other two matters. Okay. That's also called Z8095261 into the record. Okay, what else do we have, Mr. Johnson?
And then 0051. Last four digits for Officer Littleton. Also set for trial. So move to dismiss that one as well.
Okay, what are we doing with the rest of the cases?
Yeah, and that leaves a recommendation with the city with Ms. Snyder that Ms. Gates will be pleading to failure to display, a reduced charge for improper plate, and speeding. It is 5 over. All the remaining matters will be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Gates?
Yes.
Failure to display, improper plate, and 5 over, 1 to 5 over speeding, or 6 to 10, 1 to 5 or 6 to 10? So you said 5 over?
It was regular 1 to 5.
1 to 5.
Oh, thank you, Ms. Snyder.
Raise your right hand, please, Ms. Gates. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Johnson went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to January 21st, 2025, at around 2:49 PM in the city of Detroit, in the area of 7 Mile and Asbury Park. Excuse me, did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did, but not on 7 Mile and Asbury Park. I'm sorry. Okay, I just supposed to say
No,
yes.
what do you mean by that? So were you ever driving up 7 Mile or Asbury Park, one of the two streets? Never?
I was driving up 8 Mile to Southfield to Warwick. And this is where he pulled me over on Shaftesbury and Pickford, which is a block over from Warwick. It was not on 7 Mile.
Okay,
And
well, Mr. Johnson, it says here, 7 Mile and Asbury Park, at least one of the tickets, you got a number of tickets here.
Yes, I know.
And you never got pulled over on driving up 7 Mile and Asbury Park?
No, it was on Shaftesbury and Pickford where I got pulled over at, right behind my mother's house.
Mr. Johnson?
Judge, can I go into a breakout room with her?
Yeah. All right. None of the tickets say Shaftesbury, and I'll put you back in the breakout room. You had the breakout room with her. Go back to room 7, Miss Gates. Go back to room 7.
Okay.
All right. You just go down to the bottom of the screen. It should have a more button, and that room should always be open to you.
More. Join breakout room?
Yes.
Join.
All right. Are we ready on Christina Gilmore?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is Attorney Brand there? City of Detroit versus Christina Gilmore, case number SP 169. (8830) counts 1 and counts 2, and Z8096161. Appearance in the record, please.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, ma'am?
Christina Monique Gilmore.
All right, good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a trial. I need Officer Tyson and Officer Abdi.
Yes.
Officer Tyson, I saw was here. I don't know if I saw Officer Abdi.
No, I've checked with prosecutor. She indicated that Officer Abdi has not appeared. I haven't seen him in the breakout room at all, or in the courtroom. We moved to dismiss on the ticket issued by Officer Abdi, the Z8096161 ticket for no police officer. And there's a plea on the other ticket. The driver's license suspended will be reduced to failure to display, which my client will plead to, and disregard red signal will be reduced to limited access speeding 6 to 10, which my client will plead responsible to.
Everybody's getting lucky today on these drunk drivings. High VAC too, not just a regular drunk driving, high VAC. You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Shiroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes,
You understood those rights?
yes,
You have any questions about those rights?
no,
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
I didn't hear you, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 15th, 2025 at around 1:17 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Michigan and 3rd. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes,
Did you run a red light there?
yes, Your Honor.
And you were operating a motor vehicle. Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, he did.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
No.
Why is that?
Well, yes, I did give him a license, but he said it was suspended. And I thought I was still on the temporary suspended where I could still drive.
Never heard of temporary suspended, but.
Well, they gave me a temporary slip when I got stopped. You know, from the first incident. So
I know it from that incident.
yes. So
all right, are you contesting that? You want to contest that their license was valid or not? Or what?
No, I don't. No, I just no.
Find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. $240 is the fine for that, and find your client for the failure to have a valid license, and find your client responsible for the limited access 6 to 10, $125 for that. 240 and 125. When can you pay it, ma'am?
Oh wow. Can you give me like to October, because I'm not working right at this time because of my health. So
I'll give you a month. You can either get it paid, or I'll mark the file allow payment plan. So by September 2nd, either get it paid by September 2nd, or come on down to the courthouse and get into a payment plan. You can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you. You have one too. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Have a good day and good weekend, everyone.
Thank you.
Mr. Brand, go in there and speak with the city attorney.
Which breakout room is it?
It's breakout room, it's breakout room 4.
Thank you.
On the iPhone, I just let you in the room. Good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, state your name, and start your camera, please?
Hi, my name is Shantenise Gray.
Shantenise Gray. Good morning to you, Ms. Gray.
Good morning.
That you were supposed to be here the other day, weren't you?
I believe it's today at 9. It was at 9:45.
Okay. Are we ready on anyone? Mr. Johnson, are we ready on Gates?
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gates. Ms. Gates, I've given you an opportunity again to speak to counsel. What is going on?
Yes, Your Honor, she wants to continue with the recommendation. I explained that it may not be where she landed as far as where she parked her vehicle, but where she was driving. So she wants to proceed and doesn't dispute what the tickets were of.
You know, where is she? All right, Miss Gates, you know.
Yes.
I know after you talked to Mr. Johnson, now it's sort of changed because I asked you whether you were ever near 7 Mile and Asbury Park, and you said no. You said you were going up 8 Mile.
I came from 8 Mile. But when he said well, okay, that's the deal. Whatever the lawyer said.
No, she's
crazy. Huh?
No, she stands on what she said, Your Honor. I was explaining, she mentioned the Pickford Street, and I was referring her to the video. That's where she landed at Pickford, but not, I didn't see her driving on Pickford. That's where she parked it when Officer Croppick went to her vehicle. But she stands on what she said.
I was asking her about that, and from what I understood, she never was around 7 Mile and Asbury Park.
She says that. That's her statement.
That she never was around 7 Mile and Asbury Park, right?
Correct.
Okay, so how can we take the deal if she's saying something totally different than what the police are saying?
Understood. She did say that she wanted to. Can I have a little meeting with Ms. Snyder?
Absolutely.
Okay, and then I think we can get that resolved.
There we go. All right, let's pass the matter. Mr. Brand, what did they say about?
Prosecutor told me that she sent you a chat that the case is a dismissal for no recollection.
Yeah, but did you tell her, oh, well, I guess since he's not here, it's gonna be a dismissal anyway, because he doesn't have any recollection.
Hey, I explained that problem.
Here we go.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Cesar Lopez, case number SP 1672582, counts 1 and counts 2. Brand, here for the record, please.
My name is Neil Brand on behalf of Cesar Lopez.
Mr. And your client, I'm going to waive your client's presence. You indicated to the court that the client is being detained by ICE. I'll waive the presence. Officer Gutierrez, he appeared, yes. Oh, no, I don't know. Anyway, he got to the city attorney and said he had no recollection. I'll dismiss the cases for no recollection.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, good to see you, Judge. Thanks.
Always.
Mr. Gibbs is ready.
Mr. Gibbs is ready?
Correct.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Michael Gibbs.
Yes.
Mr. Gibbs, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we did have negotiations with the city attorney. The lead charge is being amended to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Second count's being dismissed. My client's waiving his rights, asking the court to adopt that.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Gibbs?
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing
Okay.
but the truth? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Officer Brown, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please?
Officer Melvin Brown, badge 1586, Detroit Police Department.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning,
Mr.
Your Honor.
Gibbs, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines? Mr. Gibbs,
Yes.
do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Soroki went over your other advice of rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Okay.
I'm asking you.
Yes.
Ms. Soroki, did she go over your other advice of rights?
Yes, she did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
None, sir.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to January 31st, 2025, at around 6:42 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Monroe and Beauvais. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
The officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
Say again?
You couldn't produce that license, could you?
Not sure.
Mr. Gibbs,
Yes.
did you give the officer a valid driver's license that day?
I did not.
Why is that?
I did not have one in my possession.
Thank you. I find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing. It'll be a $240 fine. I'll dismiss upon payment, which in stipulation of probable cause. Counsel, I'll dismiss the other matter now.
No stipulated.
All right, $240, Mr. Gibbs. When can you pay it?
This week, this coming week.
What day? What date is good?
Friday.
All right, come back. I'll come back on August the 15th. Pay it by August the 15th and come back. And then if you haven't paid, I'll dismiss the case. There's the best ways I can tell you to pay it is come down to the courthouse or to pay it in any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone. Come back at 8:25 on August the 15th. If it's paid, we'll dismiss the case. You don't have anything further, sir? I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. This is the
Have a good
city
day,
of
Your Honor.
Detroit versus Marvin Loving, case number SP 172-45471. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Soroki.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Loving.
Mr. Loving, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, sir. My name is Marvin Loving.
All right, today is the date and time set for
It looks like
pre-trial. In pre-trial, give Mr. Loving an updated offer, Mr. Soroki. Keep in mind, Mr. Loving, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the breakout room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's pass the matter. This is the last time on Gates. What's going on? Let's go back on the record with Gates. What's going on, Mr. Johnson?
Move to dismiss. Had a discussion with Sister Counsel and Officer Kropic and dismissal in the interest of justice.
Did they have no objection to that?
No, sir.
Thank you.
There she is. There's Sister Counsel here.
Dismissing the interest of justice on these three charges?
Yes, please, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322. Brother counsel was kind enough to watch the video with Corporal Kropik and I. We're not sure where the discrepancy came from. We'll look into it, but we're going to dismiss today.
All right, the case is dismissed, ma'am.
Thank you.
If you don't have anything further, we wish you the best of luck, all right?
Thank you. Have a good day.
Waive the warrant fee. You do owe some more money to the court, though. You can find out what you owe online after we put these entries into the system.
Oh.
All right?
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
Best of luck to you. All right,
Thank
anything
you.
else, Mr.? You're welcome. Anything else, Mr. Johnson?
No, Your Honor. I had it blocked off of Miss Gates today. So
all right.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson, Officer Johnson. Appreciate y'all. Have a good day.
You too.
You too. Best of luck to you.
Best of luck to you as well. Thank you.
Let's go back with Ms. Gray. Ms. Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, there is a recommendation. My client could plead to one count of allowing 2 counts of improper plates. She is entering a plea pursuant to that recommendation. And I believe she would need a payment plan, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Gray?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. What was that?
You want to take the deal?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not? Ms. Gray, did Ms. Harris go over your other advice or rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Correct.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 26th, 2022 at around 8:30 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Joy and Hayden. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
The officer asked you to produce, was this your 2012 Cadillac?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance?
No.
All right. Did the officer ask you to produce valid registration?
No.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license, ma'am?
Yes.
Could you do that?
No, Your Honor.
And you were operating this motor vehicle, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you have valid insurance and registration at that time, ma'am?
No, Your Honor. I've been fighting to get my driver's license back. So that's why I didn't have the proper documentation for the vehicle or a valid driver's license.
Very well. I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing for the driver while license revoked, amended count of improper plate for the no insurance, and amended count of improper plate for the no registration. I'm only going to fine you for 2 of these, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
$240 a piece. That's $480. I will dismiss upon payment. And you need to get into a payment plan, correct?
Correct.
All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you until September the 2nd to either pay it off and stipulate the probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor. There was a question for the court in the chat.
It would be probably mental health, or if that was something that may help. You want to speak to somebody, ma'am?
At this point, probably no. No, Your Honor.
All right. I don't know. I'll have to look up and see if there's any other programs.
Okay, thank you.
All right, so we'll make a call.
Okay.
All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mark the file, come back on September the 2nd, 2025 at 8:25. I'm gonna mark the file allow payment plan. So either do one of two things, either pay it, you can pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat out to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or come on down to the court before September the 2nd and get into a payment plan. All right, I'll mark the file allow payment plan. Let's see.
Go back
Let's
to
see if
36th District.
yes, at the 36th district.
Okay.
All right. Do you want us to see if we can have any programs down here for you?
Sure, Your Honor.
All right. We're calling right now. Just sit tight, please.
Alrighty.
They say eBay domestic violence intervention.
All right. I have a telephone number you can call, ma'am.
Okay. I'm ready for that telephone number.
864-8205. This is for eBay.
864-88205.
No, it's 864-8205.
You hear that? 864-8205?
Correct.
Yes.
864-8205. That's eBay. They have a program.
Okay.
Oh, that's this. All right.
And that's a 313 area code, correct?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Ms. Gray, I wish you the best of luck. We'll be praying for you that you get the help that you need, and best of luck to you. I'll see you back on September the 2nd, okay?
Alrighty, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Ms. Harris, bye-bye. Ms. Harris, this is the city of Detroit versus Kimberly Ledbetter, case number SP 168-01411. Appearance for the record, please.
Hi, Your Honor.
Chair Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Kimberly Ledbetter.
Hello, Ms. Ledbetter. Day is the date and time set for a pre-trial. There are two off-docket matters. I don't have an issue with setting them aside, allow Ms. Ledbetter to be heard. That's a no insurance proof and an expired plate. The issue is the no insurance proof is a $288 fine on it. So I would allow Ms. Ledbetter to pay her reinstatement fee up front, and she could potentially set herself up to get a license. At least she would have a valid, she would have clearances here. I don't know what her license looks like in another jurisdiction. So Ms. Ledbetter, go speak to Mrs. Harris in the breakout room. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Good morning, y'all. Who's that? Officer Shabazz? Yeah, your client, your defendant pled. I think you only have one, right?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, Officer Shabazz, I marked you on the file as appeared, so be safe out there. Have a very good day.
You have a great weekend.
You as well. Are we ready on it? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Loving. Mr. Loving, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a trial date?
Your Honor, that's correct, Your Honor.
All right. All right, Mr. Loving, that's what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
All right, take a trial is on September strike that, November, August the 28th, 2025 at 9 a.m. There's nothing further, Mr. Loving. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
You too. Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you. Yeah. All right, Carla Gamboa.
Yeah, I'm right here.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
This is the City of Detroit versus Carla Gamboa, case number SP 1734663, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1737768, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Gamboa.
Ms. Gamboa, state your name for the record, please.
It's Carla Ornelas Gamboa.
All right, good morning to you. Today is date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Soroki, give Ms. Gamboa an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Gamboa, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Pass the matter. Join the room, please. Who was that? Who was that that said that two officers said they dismissed? Look at it. Okay, look at it. Okay. Ms. Barrett, are you ready on anyone?
Yes, Judge. I'm ready on Pamela Owens, Judge. I need the discovery, so I need a bench trial date that gives me enough time to get it.
Let's go back. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Pamela Owens, case number SP 172-30731. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge. Melita Baird on behalf of Pamela Owens. Judge, we need a bench trial date, but I also need the city to give me discovery.
Okay. Ms. Owens, state your name for the record, please. I think you already did it.
Yes.
All right. Let's call the trial date for August the 28th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Okay?
Hold on one second, Judge. You said August 28th?
Yep, 2025 at 9 a.m.
9 a.m. Okay, that's good.
If it's nothing further, Ms. Owens, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
You as well. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right.
Judge.
Who's next, Ms. Barrett? You have all these cases.
I also have Stanley Longmire, but he's on the phone. He needs to come out that breakout room.
All right, let's call it. City of Detroit versus Stanley O'Neal Longmire Jr., case number SP 1725013, counts 1 and counts 2, appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Stanley Longmire. Judge, we need a bench trial date. I also need to have time to get the discovery on this matter.
All right, trial date is going to be August 28, 2025 at 9 a.m. Mr. Longmire, if there's nothing further, you have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Who do you have next, Ms. Blair?
Judge, hold on one second. I also have Chanel Lee.
Okay, are you ready on her?
No, Judge, I need her to be put in a breakout room. I don't think she was put in a breakout room. And also,
are you there, Miss Lee? Chanel
Yes, I'm
Lee?
here. Yes, I'm here.
I'm gonna put you in breakout room 5. Wait on Miss Bear, okay?
Okay.
Judge, I also have Desiree Lee. I don't know if she checked in. I need her in the breakout room too.
All right, I'm gonna put Miss Desiree Lee in 6.
Okay.
Desiree
Okay.
Lee in 6, all right?
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Join the rooms, please. All right, we're back on the record with Ms. Gamboa. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gamboa. Ms. Gamboa, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
She's on mute.
You're muted.
Well, I went through a long spiel. So Miss Snyder's in another courtroom, Your Honor, but my client did produce her license and her insurance, so I would ask those counts be dismissed for documentation. She offered her 6 to 10 over limited access. My client will accept that, and the initial offer was dismissing the seatbelt.
License. All right, license is valid. I'm gonna, you say 6 to 10, limited access or what?
Correct.
You wanna take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Your Honor, so stipulated.
Stipulate the probable cause of dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated.
All right. Find your client responsible for the amended count of 6 to 10 for this speeding 16 to 20 and dismissing the other matters $135. When can you pay it, Ms. Gamboa?
Whenever in the month if you want.
A month?
Yeah, or next week is fine.
Well, what day? Give me a date. You say a month or next week?
Hold on.
I'll give you to the 15th of August.
All right,
I'll give you
that's
to
fine.
the August pay it in any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Ms. Gamboa. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, you too. Have a good one.
All right, thank you. Dwight Galloway.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Dwight Anthony Galloway, case number SP 1737590, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, BF Mr. Galloway.
Mr. Galloway, state your name for the record, please.
Dwight Anthony Galloway.
All right, today is date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Galloway. Give Mr. Galloway an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Galloway, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Ms. Soroki. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
All right.
Thank you.
Join the room, please. Want to know when your tank comes up, right, Mr. Lowe?
Yeah, is that 8:30?
I know. I'm taking them in the order that everybody or most people are at 8:30. I'm taking them in the order that you came in the room. I've got the order listed, so that answers Ms. Graassy's question too, right? Yep, I'm doing as best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. Ms. Barrett, what are we gonna do? Are we ready on Chanel Lee?
Yes, Judge, that's gonna be a plea.
City of Detroit versus Chanel Denise Lee. Case numbers SP 172-76451, SP 172-76701, SP 172-76741. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Chanel Lee. Judge, I had a chance to talk to the city attorney regarding Ms. Chanel Lee, and the plea offer was for her to plead to open alcohol passengers, 6-month delayed, and the balance of the tickets be dismissed.
Can I get a 6-month date, please? Let me get that kid.
You said Kimberly.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Lee?
Yes.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Barrett went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, she did.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to May the 15th, 2025, around 10:38 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Clifford and Elizabeth Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating them? Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did you have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes.
And what kind of alcohol did you have?
Don Julio.
Everybody's got the Don Julio, don't they? That's some high dollar stuff there, I'll tell you that, right? That's top of the line. And was the bottle open, ma'am?
Yes.
And was there something in the bottle?
Yes.
All right, find your client guilty of the as charged, to open alcohol in motor vehicle with passenger, will stipulate to proper cause, will dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated.
All right. Review. It's gonna be a $240 fine. That's a couple of bottles, maybe only a couple of bottles of Don Julio. And what's the 6-month date, Ms. Maddox?
6-month date is going to be February 2nd, 2026.
February 2nd, 2026. Come back. Make sure it's paid by then. If you don't have any more of these type of allegations, Pay at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
I thank you. Ms. Barry?
Judge, did you have a CK Goins check in? Because I didn't see that person check in.
No.
And then the other one was Anitra Lester. Did you see them?
Lester's here.
Anitra?
Yes.
Okay, I didn't see. I need them in a breakout room because I didn't see that person.
Lester is here. I'm gonna put Lester in breakout room 5.
Okay, all right, thanks.
Well, she may be gone now.
Yeah, I didn't see her though. Okay, well, let me check on that.
She was here. All right. Officer Jones, I don't know if he came in earlier or not. This may be Zoom user. Good morning to you. Who are you at Zoom user? Oh, Lowe.
Yes, how you doing?
All right. What's your first name again?
Michael.
Michael Lowe.
Yes.
All right, who are we ready on?
Hoffman is ready on the
question.
interpreter cases.
Hoffman's ready? All right. Let's go with, who's the first one, Mr. Hoffman?
So we'll go first with, I'm sorry, one moment, Your Honor. The first one is Rosa Maria Gutierrez Chavez.
That's what I was thinking, he's in the.
All right, Mr. Bob, are you there? All right, let's go. This is the city of Detroit versus Rosa Gutierrez Chavez, case number SP 1673147, counts 1 and counts 2, Z7955451. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la gente de Detroit contra Rosa Gutiérrez Chávez, número de caso SP 167-31471, cargo 1 y 2, y Z7955451. Comparecencia, por favor.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant, ma'am. Give the court your full name, please.
Buenos días, su señoría. Harry Boffman, número de abogado 55052. Señora Gutiérrez Chávez, por favor, diga su nombre completo para el acto.
Rosa María Gutiérrez Chávez.
Thank you. Your Honor, the defendant will waive rights and plead guilty. There is a recommendation from the prosecutor that if she pleads guilty to open alcohol as a driver, that will be subject to a 12-month delayed sentence. She understands what that means, that she has to come back in a year and pay the fine in order to have the case dismissed.
Sí, su señoría, hay un arreglo con la fiscalía que ella está dispuesta a declararse culpable y renunciar a sus derechos. Debe tener un contenedor de alcohol abierto como conductor el acuerdo es que la sentencia se demora 12 meses y si ella paga la multa y entiende las consecuencias de no tener otro ticket, se va al sistema de cargo.
She's also going to plead guilty to failure to display a valid driver's license. She's ready to do that.
Y también está dispuesta a declararse culpable de no haber tenido una licencia a mano y está preparado para hacerlo.
Well, I see Officer Sucky, Lieutenant Sucky.
Yes, I'm here.
Can Can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record?
Lieutenant Alexis Stuckey, badge L71, Detroit Police Department, 4th Precinct.
Lieutenant Suki, número de L71 del 4 Precinto.
Well, I don't have an open alcohol case. I have an OWI, an old OWI case.
No tengo un caso abierto de tener alcohol abierto en el carro. Tengo uno de haber manejado bajo la influencia de alcohol. Ese caso viejo que tengo.
Alexis Schneider for the people, P80322.
Schneider para la Fiscalía, número de abogado 80322.
In light of the age of the ticket, Your Honor, my supervisor, Lieutenant Suki, and I have agreed to amend the OWI to the open alcohol driver.
Su señoría, por este caso está bastante viejo. Mi supervisora, la policía Suki y yo hemos quedado de acuerdo de cambiar, enmendar el cargo a tener un contenedor de alcohol abierto en el carro.
Your client is willing to take that?
Your Honor, we're
¿Su
ready.
cliente está listo para aceptarlo?
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready.
Bien.
The other
Sí, estamos
two
listos.
tickets, I'm sorry. Go ahead, Ms. Paul.
Sí, estamos listos.
The other two tickets, Officer Canada, I don't believe he didn't appear.
Yes,
Los
Your
otros
Honor,
dos
we move to
tickets de
dismiss.
Canadá él no apareció.
Yes, Your Honor, we move to dismiss those without prejudice.
Sí, pedimos que se desestimen sin prejuicio.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
¿Usted quiere aceptar la oferta, señora?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede levantar su mano derecha, por favor?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura o afirma que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
You can put your hand down.
¿Puede bajar su mano?
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Usted entiende que el castigo máximo en este caso es hasta 93 días en la cárcel y o una multa hasta $500?
Okay.
Okay.
Do you understand that? That's a yes or no.
¿Entiende esto? ¿Es sí o no?
Son 90 días de cárcel.
It's 90 days in jail
O 500.
of $500.
That's the maximum possible penalty.
Esto es el castigo máximo posible.
Okay.
Do you understand that, ma'am?
¿Entiende esto?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Usted entiende que tiene un derecho absoluto de avanzar esto a un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Baughman went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
El señor Baughman le advirtió de todos sus otros derechos en el cuarto privado, ¿no es cierto?
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Entendió estos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta sobre estos derechos?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Usted entiende? Al declararse culpable estaría renunciando a estos derechos.
Okay.
No puede decir ok, sí o no.
Pues sí, soy culpable.
Yes, I'm guilty.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give the rights up that we just talked about and that Mr. Baughman went over with you?
¿Usted entiende que al declararse culpable usted está renunciando a los derechos que acabamos de repasar y que el señor Baughman le explicó?
Sí, pues soy culpable.
Yes, because I'm guilty.
Mr. Bachman, did you go over this stuff with her?
Si vos me has repasado esta cosa con ella.
Your Honor.
Sí, señor.
Ma'am, do you know that you're gonna give these rights up when you take this deal?
Señora, ¿usted entiende que está renunciando a los derechos de un juicio si se declara culpable hoy?
¿Cómo? Si me declaro culpable, ¿me van a encerrar?
I declare myself guilty, I'm going to be locked up.
No, go back in the breakout room and go back over the rights and make sure she understands everything.
No, tiene que volver al cuarto privado y repasar los derechos para que entienda todo.
Okay.
May I just ask one question, Your Honor? I believe she understands. And I think that can make that clear with one question.
Creo que puedo aclarar con una pregunta, su señoría.
Ms. Gutierrez Chavez, do you remember when we spoke about your right to have a trial?
Señor Gutiérrez, ¿usted entiende cuando hablamos sobre los derechos que tendría en un juicio?
Sí.
Where the prosecutor would have to prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt?
Donde la fiscalía tiene que comprobar su culpa más allá de una duda razonable.
Sí.
Yes.
Sí, entiendo.
And you would have the other rights that I discussed with you before?
Y tendría todos los otros derechos que yo le expliqué antes.
Sí.
Yes.
If you enter into this agreement today, you understand that you are waiving those rights to that trial.
I'm here for it.
Si usted acepta este acuerdo y se declara culpable, entiende que está renunciando a los derechos de ir a un juicio y todos estos derechos.
Okay.
That event won't happen because you're going to agree to plead guilty, pay the fine, and come back in 12 months.
No va a haber ningún juicio si usted se declara culpable y paga la multa y vuelve dentro de 12 meses.
Sí, está bien.
Yeah, that's good.
All right.
¿Satisfecho?
Has anybody offered you anything other than what we said we'll do today?
¿Alguien le ha ofrecido algo más de lo que se habló hoy?
No.
No.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 20th, 2010, at around 4:30 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Campbell and Toledo. Were you in a motor vehicle around that date and that time?
Voy a poner su atención en el 20 de junio de 2010, en las 4:30 de la mañana. ¿Usted estaba en un vehículo motorizado en la ciudad de Detroit, en la calle Campbell y Toledo en aquel entonces?
Sí.
Yes.
Did you have some alcohol in that vehicle at that time?
¿Tenía alcohol en el carro en aquel entonces?
Sí.
Yes.
I don't expect you to know what type of alcohol. Was the alcohol open?
Creo que ya no debe acordarse qué alcohol, pero ¿el alcohol estaba abierto?
Creo que sí. No me acuerdo muy bien.
I don't remember very well.
I'm satisfied with the answer, Your Honor.
Estoy satisfecho con la respuesta, su señoría, para una base de hechos.
I'm gonna find her guilty of the amended count of open alcohol in the motor vehicle driver. Was that it?
Encuentro culpable de tener un contenedor de alcohol abierto como conductor. ¿Esto era?
Yes.
Sí.
It's 12-month delay.
Yes.
Una sentencia ha tardado 12 meses. Sí.
And with the stipulation of probable cause, we'll dismiss the other matter.
Estipulamos la causa probable. Vamos a desestimar los otros cargos.
So stipulated. Thank you.
Así estipulado. Gracias.
I'll waive the warrant fee. She'll pay the reinstatement fee.
Yo saco la tarifa del cancelador para arrestarlo y ella paga la otra tarifa.
All right. Come back on August the 3rd. August the 3rd?
Yes.
Come back on August the 3rd, 2026 at 8:25. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it.
Va a volver el 3 de agosto de 2026 a las 8:25 de la mañana. Y para pagar la multa lo puede pagar en cualquier kiosco DivDat o puede bajar la aplicación en su teléfono y pagar ahí, o puede ir en persona al tribunal y pagar en la ventanilla.
¿Puedo ir a pagarla en la ventanilla de cualquier agencia de policía?
So I can pay at the window at any police station?
No, pay it at the 36th District Court, $240.
No, pague en el Tribunal 36, $240.
Ok, 240, ok.
240, okay.
Best of luck to you, man. Have a very good rest of your day.
Mucha suerte, señora, que tenga un buen resto de su día.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
This is, who else do you have, Mr. Butler?
Jose Luis Orduz Gutierrez.
Have you spoken with him?
We're ready.
And what is that gonna, what's gonna end up with that?
That is a plea to drag racing, and the balance of the matters will be dismissed.
All right, give me 1 second. Are we ready on anyone else? Ms. Soroki, are we ready on Dwight Galloway?
Judge, I'm ready.
I know you are, Miss. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Dwight Galloway. Mr. Galloway, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a trial date.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Galloway, come back on August the 28th, 2025 at 9 a.m., all right?
All right.
All right, best of luck to you, sir.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Have a good weekend.
You as well. Ms. Soroki, this is the city of Detroit versus James Ezekiel Galves, case number SP 1162374, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1741399, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1741931, and the state of Michigan versus James Ezekiel Galves, case number SX 3386863. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Galves.
Is he here? Mr.
Yes,
Galves?
good morning.
Good morning. Can you state your name for the record, please?
James Galves, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you. Turn your camera on. The day is the date and time set for a pre-trial. There was one off docket matter. We'll call SX 3390156 into the record. We'll close that matter out. That's been paid. It's one off docket matter, maybe. One off docket matter is that a state case of driving while licensed improper. All right, give Mr. Galves an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Galves, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'll give him a $0 bond on that and stand him. All right.
Thank you.
Join the room, please, Mr. Galves, and let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Ledbetter. Ms. Ledbetter, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we actually had a question for the court. With the no proof of insurance that you indicated was off docket, she has an appointment today with the Secretary of State. Is that going to hinder her?
It may. I'm sure it is. If you come down here immediately before the appointment and pay the $45 reinstatement fee, then it'll get there immediately, and then you can go to your appointment and potentially get your license.
Okay.
But you're gonna have to come down to the courthouse, pay that reinstatement fee, $45 at the window. There's no better way than I can allow you to do that. I'm gonna set a pretrial date for August 21st, 2025 at 8:30. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good day. You gotta come down to the window, Ms. Mathis. Can you put that in now, please? Yes. Come down to the window before your date, pay that $45. That should give you a clearance. It should get to the Secretary of State immediately, and then go to the Secretary of State and see if they'll give you a license, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, very much. Best of luck to you, ma'am.
Also,
Go ahead.
Okay, also, you said come back on the 21st.
21st of August, yes.
At what time?
At 8:30.
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you. Robert's iPhone. Robert's iPhone. Who's after that?
Yeah,
Jada Lions. Yeah, for Robert's iPhone. What is your full name, sir? Good morning to you.
Robert Lotz.
Robert.
Last name Lodge, Lodge.
Lodge. Morning to you. City of Detroit versus Robert Lodge, case number U66403223. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Harris.
Chair Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lodge, please state your name.
Robert Lodge.
Your Honor, was there a request for appointed counsel?
There was not. His date and time, well, I don't know that it was. Was there a request in there, Ms. Smith? No. There's the date and time set for a pretrial. Give Mr. Lodge an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Lodge, you have an absolute right to a trial. There is a ticket in here, and the ticket reads, did the unlawful disorderly conduct, advised to leave premises and refuse at 731 San Antoine Floods. So they say he wanted to continue partying and wouldn't leave. All right. So I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Mr. Lodge, with Ms. Harris. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay,
Join the room is the matter, Ms. Barrett.
Yes, I'm here, Judge.
Let's call the City of Detroit versus Desiree Lee. Case number SP 1507127, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 172777601, SP 172797221. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Ms. Lee. Judge, we need to get the discovery and the bench trial date for this.
Bench trial is going to be on August the 28th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Ms. Lee, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
All right, thanks. Bye-bye.
You got anybody else, Ms. Barrett?
No, that should be it. Thank you.
Okay, very well.
See you later.
Mr. Hoffman, are we ready on?
Judge, we're ready on Orduz Gutierrez.
All right. Orduz Gutierrez, this is set for trial.
It is. And we have a plea agreement.
Viva.
City of Detroit versus Gutierrez Orduz, case number SP 169-38132, SP 169-38133, counts 1 and counts 3, SP 169-386 one. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Harry Baughman, P55052 for the defendant. State your name for the record, please.
Buenos días, Harry Baughman, número de abogado 55052. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre.
José Luis Orduz Gutiérrez.
Judge, my client is advised and is aware of his rights. He's going to waive these rights today in order to plead guilty to one count of drag racing.
Si mi cliente se ha vestido de sus derechos, reconoce sus derechos y está preparado para renunciar sus derechos y declararse culpable para un cargo de aceleración a la carrera.
All right, Officer Ozzie, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Okay, Oficial Ozzie,
Yes, good morning,
¿puede
Your Honor.
dar su comparecencia, por favor?
State your name, badge, number, and department for the record, please.
Diga su nombre, su número de identificación y su precinto.
Officer Ozzie.
Yes, good morning, Your
Officer
Honor. Officer Wasim Ozzie, Detroit Police Department, badge 768. How you doing, Your Honor?
Buenos días, su señoría, soy oficial Ozzie, número de identificación 786.
Doing well. Good morning to you.
Todo bien, buenos días a usted.
All right, you want to take the deal, Mr. Orduz?
¿Usted quiere aceptar el acuerdo, señor Orduz?
Sí, sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede levantar su mano derecha, por favor?
No.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
¿Usted juro o afirma que lo que va a decir es la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí, lo juro.
Sí. Yes, that's right.
You can put your hand down.
Okay. ¿Puede bajar su mano?
You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense, 93 days in jail and for $500 in fines?
Usted entiende que el castigo máximo posible para este cargo sería 93 días en la cárcel y una multa hasta $500?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Usted entiende que tiene un derecho absoluto de avanzar este asunto a un juicio?
No, está bien.
Yeah, no, it's okay.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial? Yes or no?
¿Entiende que tiene el derecho absoluto de avanzar esto a un juicio? ¿Sí o no?
No quiero juicio. No, no quiero juicio.
I don't want a trial.
Listen, who's in the background talking to you?
¿Quién está en el fondo hablando con usted?
Ah, no, disculpe. Nada.
I'm sorry.
Who is in the background talking to you?
¿Quién está hablando ahí en el fondo con usted?
No, que tengo a mi hermana aquí, porque a veces yo no escucho bien y ella me ayuda.
And my sister is here because I don't hear very well, so she can help me.
All right, your sister can't answer the questions for you.
Su hermana no puede contestar la pregunta para usted.
Ok, gracias, disculpe.
Okay, thank you, I'm sorry.
If you can't hear, then you need to ask, repeat it, or speak up.
Si no lo puede escuchar, le podemos repetir o nos tiene que decir que hablemos más fuerte.
Ya, déjeme subir un poquito más aquí.
Okay, yeah, we'll turn up the volume a little.
Ya. Y disculpe, pasa que mi teléfono no es muy avanzado.
Yeah, sorry, my phone is a little outdated.
All right. Do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Entiende que el castigo máximo posible para este cargo es de hasta 93 días en la cárcel y o una multa hasta $500.
Sí, sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Entiende que tiene el derecho absoluto de avanzar esto a un juicio.
No quiero juicio.
No, I don't want a trial.
Go back in the breakout room, Mr. Bachman. He's gotta understand what's going on, or get him an advice of rights form in Spanish.
Okay.
Okay. Tiene que volver al cuarto privado, señor Buffman, para que entienda sus derechos o den el formulario de advertencia de sus derechos en español.
Okay, gracias.
Can I ask the defendant one question? And I know
Let's
I
go
asked
back
another
in the
one.
breakout room, because that one question last time you asked about 4 or 5.
Yes.
Vayan al cuarto privado.
All right. You can take him to the breakout room with Mr. Bachman. All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lodge. Mr. Lodge, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is respectfully requesting the appointment of counsel and a trial date.
All right, Mr. Lodge, is that what you want to do?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to set a pretrial date so that we can make sure that appointed counsel has contacted you. This was set for trial last year, sir. We're not going to keep on missing court dates.
Yes, Your Honor.
Set it for pretrial on August the 21st, 2025 at 8:30. I need you to answer the calls that you have, that you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If that appointed attorney does not contact you by August 21st, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any further questions?
No, sir.
All right, if you don't have any further questions, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, please.
Thank you, you too.
City of Detroit versus Jada Lions, case number SB 17016601. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. Lyons, please state your name.
Jada Lions.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time set for show cause, Ms. Harris.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that any warrant be recalled.
We'll recall the warrant. Well, there's no warrant. We'll give your client a $0 bond, enter not guilty plea on her behalf. At this time, I'm going to dismiss the ticket. Ms. Lyons paid 3 related civil infractions. If there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you, you as well.
Thank you.
What was the gentleman who just went off the record before Ms. Lyons' name?
Pardon me?
Robert Lache.
Okay, thank you.
Shirley Jean Lee.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. City of Detroit versus Shirley Lee, case number SP 1728358, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. Lee, please state your name for the record.
Hello, my name is Shirley Jean Lee.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Day is the date and time set for a trial. Corporal Whitehead, are you there? Been in and out all morning. Another corporal, he is in here now. Mr. Harris, give Ms. Lee an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Lee, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? Join the room. That's allowed, right?
Yeah.
Let me see if there's any notes on the ticket, Ms. Harris. No notes on the ticket.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Let's join the breakout room and let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter.
Okay.
Mr. Bachman, let's go back on the record. with Mr. Galvez. Mr. Galvez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to council. Council, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, the people, if his license is valid, the recommendation would be blockading traffic, and he would admit the seatbelt violation. The other counts will be dismissed.
Some of those officers, Miss Schneider, Sierra, I can't pull them out of the room. Tyson, Officer Tyson, Christina Gilmore fled. I got your file marked.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Be safe, too. Be safe.
Thank you, you too.
The license is valid. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated.
One is a blocking traffic,
Correct.
and then the other one is the seatbelt.
Correct.
All right, with those stipulations, they'll find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic for the failure to disregard the red signal and as charged to the seatbelt of 175 and 120. 175 and 120. Those other matters will be dismissed. I will waive the warrant fee. You'll pay the reinstatement fee. When can you pay?
I can do a payment today and pay the balance before the 15th.
Before the 15th?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, pay it by August 15th, 2025. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Mr. Galvez, if there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Have a blessed day, Your Honor. Thank you.
You as well. Thank you. This is the city of Detroit, Ms. Soroki versus Raven Sierra Lewis. Oh. Case numbers SP 1266426, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1267715 SP 1279350, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1295457, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1306638, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1310268, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1325253, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1399681, SP 1669886. SP 1669913, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Raven Lewis.
Ms. Lewis, state your name for the record.
Raven Lewis.
Today, it must be in, a lot of these tickets must be in warrant status.
Yes, I tried to go to the Secretary of State and pay my reinstatement fee like we discussed at the last court session, but they weren't allowing me to do it. They said they didn't see a reinstatement fee on file. So they printed out some paperwork for me.
No, you didn't follow instructions that correctly, ma'am. You're supposed to come down to the courthouse and pay the $45 reinstatement fees up front.
Oh, yeah. But I had called down there and she told me that I supposed to went to the Secretary of State. Cause
well, you're gonna listen to me, or you're gonna listen to her?
You.
I mean, I guess not. No, you didn't.
apologize.
You listen to her. And that's why we're here now. I'm setting a trial date. I'll give you another time to do it.
I tried contacting your court room, but I wasn't able to get through. I did leave a voicemail.
All right. You'll get him one more chance to do it. You need to come down here. I already have the file marked.
Okay.
I already have the file marked, pay the reinstatement fee up front. You need to come down here and I'm gonna set a trial date for August the 29th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Come down here as soon as you can. It should be already in the system this month. Just make sure it's on the last one, all the 3 tickets, paying a $45 reinstatement fee up front. I'm sure you got it in there.
I'll be sure to come down there sometime this week. Was today Friday? What next week? I'm sorry.
All right, very well, Ms. Lewis. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
All right, you have a blessed one. Thank you.
You're welcome. Leggett.
Excuse me, Judge Corporal Whitehead. Did you call Shirley Lee?
Yes, she's in the breakout room right now.
Okay, thank you.
This Soroki, this is the city of Detroit versus Lache Leggett. Here. Leggett here. Oh, she is. This is the city of Detroit versus Lache Leggett. Case number SB 11155641, SB 1364348. Who's got Bobby Owens? SP 1634353, SP 1485671 counts 1, SP 1577701 counts 1 and 3, SP 1672178 counts 2 and counts 3, SP 1672189 SP 1670. SB 1702939. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Lache Leggett.
Stevenson wanted to dismiss.
Yeah, one of the cases Stevenson wanted to dismiss. I have that marked. Ms. Leggett, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Ms. Leggett, do you have some clothes on, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. I'm sorry. Yes, I do.
Can you put a bit better top on, ma'am?
Yes.
Please. All right. All right. Stevenson wanted to dismiss. All right, who's here? I don't see Presley. don't see. I don't see anyone.
I was looking myself. I didn't see any either. I can check with.
Huck was here. Huck was here, but I don't see him now. And I don't know if you put anything in the chat.
Somebody told you earlier they had to go to another courtroom. I don't know who that was.
Stevenson said he was dismissing. I don't think I saw Presley at all.
I can confirm with the city attorney, Your Honor.
All right.
Ms. Leggett's
Get in the
back.
breakout room. Go to the breakout room, Miss Leggett, and wait on Miss Soroki. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter.
Okay.
Mr. Baughman, is Mr. Orduz ready?
We're ready.
All right. Oh, Mr. Warbling, Mr. Owens is in there waiting on you.
He's here, Judge. I think we got a tentative resolution.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Orduz. Where were we, Mr. Baughman? Does he understand?
Con el señor Orduz, ¿dónde estábamos?
Okay.
Mr. Baughman, you want to go ahead and make sure he understands his rights, please?
Absolutely, Your Honor. Mr. Orduz.
Debe asegurarse que se entiende sus derechos. Por supuesto. Señor Orduz.
It is true that we spoke about your right to have a trial in this matter today.
Es cierto que hablamos sobre su derecho de tener un juicio en este asunto, ¿cierto?
Sí.
Yes.
And you are aware that at that trial, the prosecutor would have to show through evidence that you are guilty beyond a reasonable doubt.
Y en un juicio, la fiscalía tendría que comprobar que usted es culpable más allá de una duda razonable, ¿cierto?
Sí.
Yes.
Also at that trial, that you would be able to call witnesses to testify on your behalf.
Y también en un juicio usted tendría derecho de llamar testigos en su defensa, ¿cierto?
Sí.
Yes.
You can also confront the witnesses of the prosecutor through your attorney.
También puede hacer preguntas contra los testigos de la fiscalía por medio de su abogado, ¿cierto?
Sí.
Yes.
You could testify if you wanted to, but if you didn't want to testify, no one could say anything about you being guilty just because you didn't testify.
Usted puede testificar o puede elegir de no testificar y nadie puede decir algo que usted es culpable solamente por no querer testificar, ¿cierto?
Sí.
You
Yes.
understand these are the rights that you are giving up in order to plead guilty today.
Usted está entendiendo que está renunciando a todos estos derechos si se va a declarar culpable hoy.
Sí, claro.
Yes.
You're most especially going to waive your right to remain silent in order to tell the judge that you're guilty of drag racing.
Y usted más que nada se va a renunciar al derecho de mantener su silencio y no decir nada para poder declararse culpable para aceleración a la carrera.
Sí.
Yes.
Is this what you're volunteering to do today?
¿Esto lo quiere hacer voluntariamente hoy?
Sí, claro.
Yes. Yes, of course.
I'm convinced he's advised of his rights.
Estoy convencido que él está retiro de sus derechos.
Okay, sí.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Orduz, let me draw your attention back to March 13th, 2025 at around 11:04 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Verner Highway and Waterman. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Voy a poner su atención el 13 de marzo de 2025 aproximadamente a las 11 de la noche. Usted estaba en la calle de Warner Highway en la ciudad de Detroit.
Sí.
Yes.
And were you operating a motor vehicle?
Y usted estaba manejando un carro.
Sí.
Yes.
And did you drive this vehicle on the wrong side of the road at a high rate of speed?
Y usted estaba manejando en la mano equivocada y en una velocidad alta.
Sí.
Yes.
You satisfied, counselor?
I am
¿Satisfecho,
satisfied. Thank you.
abogado? Satisfecho,
Sí.
sí.
All right, I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of drag racing. The fine will be $240. With the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated.
Voy a
Thank you.
declarar, aceptar su declaración de culpa para ver la aceleración de carrera. La multa es $240. Puede desestimar los otros cargos si hay estipulación para causa probable, así estipulado.
Sí, está bien.
Yeah, that's good.
All right, 240, when can you pay it?
240, ¿cuándo lo puede pagar?
No sé cuándo podría pagarlo.
I don't know when I could pay it.
Usted me dice.
You tell me.
Pay it
Judge,
by
can you have a
August
month,
5th.
please?
Pay it by September 2nd, 2025 at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Páguelo hasta el 2 de septiembre de 2025. Lo puede pagar en cualquier kiosco DivDat o puede bajar la aplicación en su teléfono de DivDat y pagar ahí, o puede ir en persona y pagarlo en el Tribunal 36. Estas son las mejores maneras para pagar la multa. Si no hay más nada, ya puede desconectarse y que tenga un buen día.
Ok. Tribunal 36, mejor todavía.
Okay, yeah, I'll pay it at 36.
Muchas gracias. Felicidades al abogado. Muy agradecido.
Yeah, thank you very much. I appreciate all the
Muy
help from the
agradecido al
attorney.
señor juez. Que Dios lo bendiga.
And thank you to the judge as well, and God bless you.
Y muy agradecido por usted también.
Gracias.
Gracias.
And there's one more that may need an interpreter, Mr. Bopple. I don't know if we can, let me get Mr. Owens.
Your Honor, I'm all set, Your Honor.
Gracias.
Yes.
Gracias.
Thank you, Your Honor. You as well. Take care.
Okay.
Best of luck. Have a good day.
God bless.
So you're free to leave. Be safe. This is the city of Detroit versus Bobby Owens, case number SB 128463221, SB 154912251, SB 162145541, SB 1698111, counts 1 and counts 2. And State of Michigan versus Bobby Owens, case number SX 453411191. Appearance for the record, please.
May it please this court, Your Honor. Ben Werbling, P64889, on behalf of Mr. Owens. Sir, could you state your full and complete name for the record at this time, Mr. Bobby Owens?
Bobby James Owens.
Judges, the day and time set for trial. We've had at-length discussions with Corporation Counsel. My understanding there's a resolution. My client understands his absolute rights. Everything's being dismissed except for the open alcohol as a passenger. There's an agreement that my client would waive his rights, plead no contest due to lack of memory. And if you accepted that, Judge, it would be a delayed sentence for 6 months.
All right. Officer Haynes is here. Officer Dudek is here. Officer Mullen was here. You want to take the deal, Mr. Owens?
Yes.
And the trooper was here. He was late though, but that case is going to be dismissed anyway. So
I'm proud to say that Mr. Owens has a valid driver's license and registration and insurance.
All right. Raise your hand, Mr. Owens. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Now you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is
Yes.
93 days and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Warbling went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No question.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anyone offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to September 14th, 2024. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that no contest plea on your client's behalf.
Judge, we'll stipulate for purposes of the plea. Yes, Judge.
All right, stipulate the probable cause of dismissal of the other matter.
We do, Your Honor. Yes.
Find your client guilty, strike that. Enter no contest plea on your client's behalf. There'll be a 6-month delayed sentence, and that no contest plea is for lack of recollection. It'll be a 6-month delayed sentence. Pay a $240 fine. I'll waive the warrant fees. You'll pay the reinstatement fees. Pay that fine and don't get any other trouble like this, Mr. Owens, and we will dismiss this case. Come back on February 2nd, 2025.
6.
At
I know we're not used to saying it yet, Judge, but I know you meant 2026.
2026, I'm sorry, 2026. At 8:25. I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Mr. Owens.
Thank you.
You're very much welcome, sir.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Shirley Lee. Miss Lee, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, if the court will, we are respectfully requesting to reset this to a pretrial just so that she could bring in her insurance. If she's bring in that proof of insurance, all of the matters would be dismissed.
Ms. Lee, come back on August the 20. August the 21st at 8:30, Ms. Lee. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. You have a good day also.
You as well. City of Detroit versus Darius Anton Graham, case number SB 172-34441. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Graham, please state your name for the record.
Darius Graham, are you there?
Marvin.
He was. Darius Graham must have left. All right. Down to Samuel Garner. He's here.
Judge, is Gary here?
No, he's not. I haven't seen him. I'm trying to pull him out of the breakout. No, there's nobody in.
I do have it on.
Darius Graham's here. He's back. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Darius Graham. Mr. Harris, can you put your appearance on for Mr. Graham, please?
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Graham, please state your name.
Darius Graham.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time. I thought it was set for a trial.
That's what I show.
Okay, I know that, that Officer Nelson did appear, but he's no longer here. You can check right quick, just talk to him, see if he has valid insurance, and then you can make a motion if not. All right?
Okay.
Mr. Graham, Ms. Harris is gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
All right.
All right, join the room, please. Samuel Garner.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Let's see here. This is the city of Detroit versus Samuel Garner Jr. Case number SP 171-48751. Mr. Garner, state your name for the record, please.
Samuel Garner Jr.
Samuel Garner Jr. And is there a Officer Monfort? I don't see an Officer Monfort on my list. I'm going to dismiss the case. No officer. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right. You're welcome.
Well,
Christina Gilmore is gone. Jaden Odell, he's here. This
Yes, I'm
individual,
here.
Jaden Odell.
Yes, I'm here. I'm sorry.
Okay, give me a 1 second, Miss Odell. I need to get a lawyer because I think there's officers here for you.
Okay.
Hill, Officer Hill is here. Okay, who's on that device? Brian Salas?
That's
Mr. Vapo, see if Mr. Salas needs a.
Señor Salas, ¿necesita un intérprete?
no. Sí.
Yes, sí.
What is his name?
¿Cómo es su nombre completo?
Lebia Ortega.
Lebia Ortega?
Sí.
Lebia Ortega, I see. Are we ready on Mr. Graham?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record, Mr. Darius Graham. Mr. Graham, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client was able to present valid insurance.
All right, Mr. Graham, I'm going to dismiss the case, provide valid documentation. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
all right, you do the same.
Thank you. This is Odell, Jaden Odell. This is the city of Detroit versus Jaden Unique Odell, case number SP 1685377, count 1 and count 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherika Harris, on behalf of Ms. Odell, please state your name for the record.
What happened to her? Ms. Odell.
No, I think her device froze and kicked her out.
Let's pass the matter. All right, let's go down to Michael Lowe.
Yeah, how you doing? All
right, good morning to you, Mr. Lowe.
Good morning.
This is the city of Detroit. What's your middle name if you have one?
Maurice.
All right, let's get Jake. Let's go.
Okay,
let's go
hello.
back. Let's go back on the record with Miss Odell. Miss Odell, state your name for the record, please.
Yes, Jaden Odell.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Corporal Hill. Is that Corporal Hill?
Good morning, Your Honor. It's Officer William Hill, 3756 Detroit Police Department.
All right. Good morning to you. What's going to be the resolution, if any? You have to speak during the breakout room, right, Miss?
I do.
Did you run the license? All right. Go in the breakout room, Miss Odell here. And speak to Miss. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Leggett. Ms. Leggett, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I had an opportunity to speak with the city attorney. Two officers did appear. They had insufficient recollection. All other officers did not appear. I'm moving for dismissal of all matters. Ms. Leggett, can you unmute and put your camera on?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Okay, thank you.
Matters dismissed, ma'am, on the waiving warrant fees. You'll have to pay any reinstatement fees. You still owe some civil infractions as well. These $288 no insurances need to be paid in order for you to get clearance so you can get a license, at least with the 36 report. Okay?
Okay.
All right, you have further questions, ma'am?
So you're saying I just have to get my no insurance tickets paid and the brake light ticket?
Well, any other ticket, the no insurance are the ones that are affecting you from getting a clearance. So those are the most important ones.
Okay.
And the other ones you can make a payment plan on, but if you pay those 288s, I think you owe 288 tickets, then you could potentially set yourself up to get a license. I say potentially because I don't know what your driving record looks like in other jurisdictions, but that's what's affecting you from getting a license here. Okay?
Okay.
All right. There's nothing further, ma'am. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, now, Mr. Lowe. City of Detroit versus Mr. Michael Lowe. Case number SP 1024429, counts 1 and count 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Pauline Strokey on behalf of Mr. Lowe.
Mr. Lowe, state your name for the record, please.
Michael Maurice Lowe, Jr.
Junior, what is your date of birth?
9/16/01.
All right, strike that from the record. Strike that from the record. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Michael Lowe Jr., case number SP 1212803, counts 1 and counts 3. Here, all right, Mr. That's a reckless driving and a no insurance. I mean, they're not guilty plea on this. We have. I'm gonna give them a $0 bond. Mr. Lowe, speak to Ms. Soroki in a breakout room. She's gonna try to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Mr. Winston Logan?
Yes.
All right. Good morning to you. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Winston Rudolph Logan. Case number SP 171358551, SP 1714791. Mr. Logan, good morning. Reed was here. He is here. Hold on a second. Let me get you an attorney. Let's pass that matter.
Hello.
All right.
Hello.
Ready on Odell?
Yes, wait, can you take
What's
back
the
to
court?
attorney? Because my phone died.
It's okay, Ms. Odell. Was the court able to confirm the valid license?
On Odell, did you run the license on Odell? Yeah. License is valid. Congratulations.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Your Honor, there's oh, sorry.
Go ahead.
There's a recommendation to dismiss the no insurance matter as she paid a related civil infraction. Count 3, she paid it.
We'll dismiss the case, Ms. Odell.
Thank you.
Paying a related civil infraction and provide a valid driver's license. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too, love. Thank you. Bye.
All right, let's go. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Winston Rudolph Logan, case number SP 171358551, SP 1747921. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Harris.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Logan, please state your name for the record.
Winston Rudolph Logan.
All right, Mr. Logan, good morning to you. Officer Reed, can you state your name for the badge number department for the record, please?
Officer Reed, Detroit Police Department, badge 457.
All right, can you take your hat off, please? All right, good morning to you. All right, days, date, and time set for a trial. Ms. Harris, get Mr. Logan an updated offer. Keep in mind, if he doesn't like the offer, today is a date and time set for that trial. Join the room, he's in there. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lowe. Mr. Lowe, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants a bench trial date?
Correct.
Does he want the appointment of counsel?
No.
All right. Trial date, 29th of August, Mr. Reed. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, you said the 29th of August?
Yes, at 9 a.m.
9 a.m.? Okay, thank you so much.
All right, best of luck to you, sir.
Okay, you too.
This is the city of Detroit versus Shantenise Gray, case number SP 173-06391. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Graassy.
Ms. Graassy, state your name for the record.
Shantenise Gray.
All right. Enter a not guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0 bond. Are you in Georgia or are you in Michigan?
I'm in Michigan.
All right. Are you remaining in Michigan?
Yes, I'm trying to remain in Michigan, yes.
All right, well, she needs to update her address here then. All right.
I'm currently homeless right now, so the only thing I can upgrade it to is the mailing address.
If you want us to get you some help on that, I can call someone in.
Okay.
All right. All right, let's pass the matter, Ms. Graassy. I'm gonna get him in there. He usually comes in pretty quick, all right?
Okay.
All right, this is a Spanish speaking, this is the city of Detroit versus Lebia Ortega, case number SP 173-12121, SP 173-1641, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Bob.
Comparecencias para el acta, por favor.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, behalf of defendant Ortega.
Sí, Pauline Soroki, abogada para la señora Ortega.
Mr. Ortega, are you there?
Señora Ortega, ¿está ahí?
Sí.
Yes.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond.
Hoy es para demostrar causa. Voy a cancelar la orden para arrestarlo y voy a darle $0 de fianza.
¿Cómo?
What was that?
No, I haven't.
The attorney will explain it to you.
La abogada se lo va a explicar.
It's also called SP 173-4652, counts 1, 2, and 3 into the record.
Veamos SP 173-46-521, cargo 1, 2 y 3 en el acta.
I have two cases on the docket, counselor.
Tengo 2 casos en el acta, abogada.
I counted 6 cases into the record. Fix this one. The one case is a no registration that goes with the cases on the docket.
Okay.
Caso de no registración que va con los casos que tenemos delante de nosotros hoy.
And the other 3 cases are no insurance misdemeanor, driving while license never acquired, and blocking crosswalk.
Los otros son no seguro de carro, nunca va a tener una licencia y bloquear un cruce de calle.
Is it the birthdays or something?
I'll give Ms. Ortega an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Le vamos a dar una oferta actualizada, tiene el derecho absoluto de ir al juicio. Si no le gusta la oferta, la voy a poner en cuarto privado para poder hablar con la abogada.
Join the room, please.
Which one is her birthday? Is it the 20? That's what's throwing us off. Is it 28 or 27?
All right. Ms. Harris, are we ready on Mr. Logan?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Logan. Mr. Logan, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, he's going to admit responsibility to the defective brake light with the misdemeanor no insurance matter being dismissed.
What you want to do, Mr. Logan?
Yes.
Relate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible as charged of defective equipment, dismissing the other matter. $120, Mr. Logan. When can you pay it?
Well, I'm on a fixed income. I'm a senior right now. I probably can't pay it till like the first of the month, like September the 1st, if possible.
I'll give you till September the 5th to pay it. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Logan. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you and Officer Reed. You be safe out there. You're free to leave, Mr. Logan. Have a good day, Mr. Logan. Mr. Logan?
Yes, sir.
You're free to leave. You paid a $120 by September the 5th, okay?
All right, thank you, sir.
All right. On that Zoom user, can you unmute yourself and state your name, please? Zoom user, unmute yourself and state your name, please. Ms. Harris, this young lady here, Sanchez Lopez, was set for trial today. He's not here, and he's not in town. I don't know where he is. She indicates that she owns the bar or whatever.
I remember this one.
All right, speak to her, please. Zoom user, what is your name, please?
Andron Lewis.
Who?
Andron Lewis.
Why are you so late?
They told me the Zoom meeting was at 1:30, but I just so happened just to get on here.
Oh, so you're early. You're here early.
Yeah.
So Lewis.
I just didn't know how to get on here. I just figured it out just now.
I don't see him on the docket. That's yesterday's. Hold on. That's yesterday's.
1:30, Your Honor.
Well, Lewis.
Andron Lewis.
All right. Andron Lewis, Germaine Lewis, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna get you another court. It's just for arraignment today. I'll get you another court date. Well, you can speak with a lawyer if you want to. Oh, you got a lot of stuff going on. We'll get you another court date. The city of Detroit versus Andron Lewis, case number SP 1045195, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1086062 1, SP 1086085-1, SP 1134515, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 757725, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1, strike that, SP 994622, counts 1, 2, and 3, 19706732, counts 1 and counts 2, 204342571, SP 1744097, 17389519, counts 1, 2, and 3. Mr. Lewis, state your name for the record, please.
Andron Germaine Lewis.
Day and date and time set for what's called the arraignment and what we call the warrants on all the other matters. I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'm gonna give you a $0 bond.
He was from just.
He's 130.
Oh, 130. Okay.
Come back on August for a pretrial, August the 29th, 2025 at 8:30 a.m. We'll have your entire file here at that time, all right?
So what date, sir?
August 20th.
August 20th.
August 29th. And
August
if you,
20th.
yeah, you need to pay this $336. If you do that, you can potentially set yourself up to get a valid driver's license. At least you would get a clearance here. I don't know if they'll give you a clearance on that open alcohol and motor vehicle driver. But that's gonna need to be paid anyway. So pay that $336 and try to come back and get a license, all right, before you come back, all right?
Yes, sir.
If they don't give you a license, then you just ask them for a printout. They should tell you everything that's affecting your license, okay?
Yes, sir. So you said come back August 29th or 20th?
The 29th of August.
Okay.
The
So
29th.
So can I pay on the other tickets too?
No, don't pay anything but that $336.
Okay.
$336, you pay that off. You're gonna have to pay it off and then go to Secretary of State.
Okay.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good day. Rest of your day.
Thank you. You too, sir.
You're welcome. A lot of times, always more than meets the eye.
It didn't go that bad, did it?
We just about done.
Oh, yeah. It was.
A lot of signals up.
But so you got about to leave that shit alone, man. God damn.
That's it. That's okay.
It's just like P.O. Jones. Oh, you're here on the one that Miss Harris is dealing with now. Good morning to you.
That's the Miguel Sanchez, right?
He started on that drama, but
60-year-old.
he wasn't listening to Phyllis. That was rare. Rare. Normally she's able to control the whole crowd.
Mm-hmm. No.
That's fine. Either the fire department.
No.
All right. You never did show.
Can I have a moment, Your Honor? It is a recommendation to dismiss. I need to go address somebody who got stung by a bee, so I'll be right back.
All right.
Oh.
That might take a while there.
Oh.
I can start to explain, Your Honor, if you'd like.
let's put it on the record. I will, let's go. I don't know if we need this, it's gonna be a dismissal. I don't know if we need this here.
Back.
City of Detroit, Beckwith versus Miguel Sanchez Lopez, case number U713521225. Karen, to the record, please.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lopez, respectfully requesting to waive his appearance as the employer and the owner of the establishment is present.
All right, I'll waive the client's presence. Officer Jones, good morning to you. Good afternoon. Now state your name, badge number for the record, please.
That's right. Officer Jamon Jones, badge 2682.
All right, good morning to you. Good afternoon to you. Okay, this is dismissal.
It is, Your Honor, and we ask court to adopt that recommendation.
All right, case dismissed. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you all.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Ms. Harris.
All right.
You're welcome. Thank you, Ms.
Bye-bye.
Schneider and Officer Jones.
Be safe out there, Officer Jones.
Thank you, sir. You too.
No, we have two more.
Okay.
I couldn't help, so that's why I came back fast.
Oh. Mr. Bob fell off. No, he's back. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Ortega. Ms. Ortega, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Vamos a volver con la señora Ortega. Señora Ortega, le dio oportunidad de hablar con su abogada. Abogada,
You
¿qué
have
quiere
a
hacer en el
driver's
caso?
license from Venezuela?
Dígame.
Who's talking?
¿Quién está hablando?
Do you?
Dígame.
¿Me escuchó?
No.
Oh, she didn't hear me, so I'm just going to repeat it. Señora Ortega, usted tuvo oportunidad de hablar con su abogada, que ahora la abogada va a decir cómo procedemos.
Okay.
Ms. Soroki?
Your Honor, we reached a resolution with the city attorney. My client,
Señora Soroki, llegamos a una solución con la abogada de la ciudad.
my client would plead to the amended count of failed to display a valid license and the civil infractions being amended to impeding traffic.
Mi cliente se declara culpable para no haber tenido una licencia a mano y la infracción civil se va a aumentar a haber bloqueado el tránsito.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
¿Usted quiere aceptar esta oferta, señora?
Sí.
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede levantar su mano derecha, por favor?
Translated.
Is your right hand raised?
¿Levantar su mano derecha?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura o afirma que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
You can put your hand down.
¿Puede bajar la mano?
Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Usted entiende que el castigo máximo para este cargo es hasta 93 días en la cárcel y una multa hasta $500?
Tengo que ir 93 días a la cárcel.
93 days in jail?
No entiendo.
I don't understand.
That's the maximum possible penalty. You understand that?
Esto es el castigo máximo. ¿Entiende eso?
No entiendo.
I don't understand.
All right, go back in the breakout room, please.
Vuelvan al cuarto privado, por favor.
Then join the room.
Me dijeron algo y no entendí. Me dijeron que tenía que pagar $500 en multa y 93 días. Ay,
Bueno,
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Ortega. Does she understand what's going on now?
Estamos de vuelta en el acta con el señor Ortega. ¿Ella entiende ahora qué está pasando?
I believe.
Yes.
All right, Ms. Ortega, do you understand you have the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Señor Ortega, ¿usted entiende que el castigo máximo para esta ofensa es de hasta 93 días en la cárcel y o una multa hasta $500?
La multa de $500.
Yeah, and the fine of 500, yes.
You understand that?
¿Entiende esto?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
¿Entiende que tiene derecho absoluto que avanzar a un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Ms. Soroki went over your other advisor rights in the breakout room, did she not?
La señora Seruki también le dio la pertenencia de todos sus otros derechos en el cuarto privado, ¿no es cierto?
Sí.
Yes.
You understood those rights?
¿Entendió estos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta sobre esos derechos?
No, la pregunta que tengo es que ¿dónde puedo pagar la multa?
No,
Porque
I
no.
just have to question where pay the fine.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Entiende que al declararse culpable y aceptar esta oferta, está renunciando a estos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Alguien le ha ofrecido algo más allá de lo que se habló ahora en el acta?
No.
No.
Let me draw your attention back to May the 29th, 2025 at around 12:58 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Greenfield and Tinkle. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Vamos a poner su atención de vuelta el 25 de mayo. Usted estaba manejando la ciudad de Detroit y tenía contacto con la policía.
Sí.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
¿Estaba manejando un carro?
Sí.
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
¿El oficial de policía le pidió una licencia válida?
Sí.
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
No lo pudo hacer, ¿cierto?
No.
No.
Why is that?
¿Por qué no?
Porque no tengo licencia de acá. Tengo venezolana.
I don't have a license from here. I have a Venezuelan license.
Very well. Will you stipulate on your client's behalf that the face of the ticket is an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea, Councilman?
So stipulated.
Bueno, para el otro ticket está estipulando causa probable para la base de hechos. Así estipulado, señor.
All right, I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display to be a $240 fine.
Que le voy a encontrar su cliente culpable de no haber tenido la licencia a mano. Sería una multa de $240.
And I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. That'll be a $175 fine.
Y lo encuentro responsable para el otro cargo enmendado de bloqueo de tránsito. Sería una multa de $175.
You know, I won't fine her for the blocking traffic.
No le voy a dar multa para el bloqueo de tránsito.
Okay.
Just $240, ma'am. When can you pay?
Solamente $240, señora. ¿Cuándo puede pagar?
¿Cuándo me puede dar la fecha para pagarlo y la dirección? Porque no sé dónde lo puedo pagar.
When can you give me a date when I have to pay by and where do I pay it?
Pay it by August the 15th, 2025. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload to DivDat after your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, ma'am. If there's something further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Págalo hasta el 15 de agosto. Una de las maneras es cualquier kiosco DIFTAT lo puede pagar. También puede bajar la aplicación de DIFTAT en su teléfono y pagar ahí. O puede pagar en persona en el Tribunal 36. Esas son las mejores maneras para pagar. Si no hay más nada, ella puede desconectarse y que tenga un buen día.
Ok, gracias. No entendí dónde puedo pagar porque en realidad no conozco nada aquí.
Okay, I just didn't quite
Pero-
understand where to pay because I'm not from here.
And down at the courthouse or on the DivDat kiosk, that's it. You can find them in the Myers, the CVS's, and the stores like that. And, or you can, I'm told you can upload the DivDat app, DIVDAT on your device.
Lo puede pagar en el tribunal en persona o en el kiosco DIFTAT que están en Myers o CVS, o puede bajar la aplicación de DIFTAT en su teléfono y pagar ahí.
Ok, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day.
Que tenga un buen día.
Ok, igual.
Thank you too.
Thank you, Mr. Goffel,
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
and bye-bye.
¿Acabaste?
Ya.
Ok, muy bien. ¿Ya tienes todo tu informe?
Sí.
You can hang up.
¿Qué le dijeron?
Para salirme de...
Ah, está bien.
Ok.
Hi, Your Honor.
Hey.
Is Miss Fuenteo here?
Hey, Miss Fuenteo.
How you doing, sir? You all right today?
Yeah, I couldn't see the camera thing. How are you?
Good, good. I don't know what's going on with the camera here today.
Are you at the Southwest Detroit place?
Yes, we are, and we're using Mr. Phillips' computer.
Oh, well, I know that explains it then. Mr. Phillips.
We do what we can, Your Honor. We do what we can.
Mr. Phillips' computer is always volume and something.
We're
But
working
I
every
think-
computer we got in this place.
Right, I tell you what, he gets it done though, despite all of that.
All right.
Is Mr. Phillips there?
Yeah, he's in his office. You want to say hi?
Yeah, you gotta say hi to him.
Come on, say hi, James. Oh, he's acting up today, Your Honor.
What did he do?
Hey, Your Honor. Hey.
Hey, what's going on, Mr. Phillips?
Oh, you're busy as ever, like every Friday.
I just cracked one on you. The camera wasn't working. I didn't know that they were at the Southwest. I didn't know they were at Southwest, and the camera wasn't working. So, and Mr. Mateo said, "I'm at Mr. Phillips' computer." I said, "Oh, that explains it." He always does something with this computer.
He dragged you a little.
Okay. Yeah.
But he gets it done though.
Yeah. All right, we're all set, Your Honor. I'm glad we can help
All
this
right.
client, and you have a blessed day, you and all your staff.
Have a better one.
Yeah,
All
take
right,
care.
Your Honor.
Have a
Bye-bye
weekend
now.
too. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Graassy. Ms. Graassy, I've given you an opportunity to speak to council. Council, are you guys going to be able to work together?
Yes, Your Honor. She is eligible and interested in participating in Street Outreach Court Detroit.
All right. And then pre-trial on the 29th of September?
Yes.
All right. Ms. Graassy, I'll say this. I know probably one of the most trying times of your very young life. And we're going to be especially praying for you for that. I always say that, you know, I know the light might not be shining at the end of the tunnel very bright for you right now, but it will get brighter as long as you persevere and you keep persevering. It will get brighter. These times will pass. I always leave everyone with a quote from Dr. Martin Luther King. I say Dr. Martin Luther King says, the true test of a man is not where he or she stands in the moments of comfort and convenience, or where he or she stands in the times of challenges and controversies. And this is your test. I don't know why God may put you through this test, but I do know God won't put more on you than what you can handle. Hopefully you'll get through this sooner rather than later. We'll be praying for you. I do believe in Mr. Patel's services, and I have seen Mr. Patel's services work, and I hope they work for you, okay?
Thank you, I appreciate it.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a very good day, and best of luck to you all. Next court date is September 29th, 2025 at 8:30, all right?
8:30.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a very good, yes, 8:30. Have a very good rest of your day, and best of luck to you, Ms. Graassy. Thank you, Mr. Patel.
Thank you. Bless.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.